right, I want to talk to you guys a little bit now about how easy it is to schedule an appointment with the writing lab. So I am here in our course homepage. I'm just changing it up so it looks exactly like yours. My side sometimes looks a bit different. So what you're going to do is you're going to click View Course and Institution Tools. And then you're going to go down and click Tutoring. And when you click Tutoring, the next window that comes up is going to allow you to schedule different kinds of appointments. What I want you to schedule is an appointment with the writing lab. Now, if you would like me to schedule it for you, I'm happy to do that. You can also submit your papers. You do need 24 hours for them to look over that paper. So again, if this is the option you're going to choose, make sure that you give them 24 hours to look it over, that you can still get that assignment back, make your edits, and then submit it. Again, they will give you confirmation of your appointment. Submit that writing lab report with your exploration assignment to earn the extra credit points for that. Again, super easy to schedule. Click Course and Institution Tools and then click Tutoring, and it will get you an appointment scheduled.